Hi everyone, I'm Duolingo coach, Coach Medai. Today is about the Chinese class. I'm going to share with you Chinese in English. Coach Medai enjoy Chinese. Cut. Okay, today is the 9 times of my class. And today we are going to see the spin-off story. New spin-off story. And today's main role is Wu. This is in the 7 most important characters. Do you remember the 7 most important sounds in Chinese? Listen. And Wu is here. Wu. Shape of your mouth is round. Wu. And the place where your voice is from. This is your mouth, bigger, and your front upper teeth, and the front teeth, and your throat, and the front, back, highest, lowest place, front, back, highest, lowest place, and U is the sounds of U is from here, back, highest place, back, highest place. Ooh. Ooh. Of course, the tongue tip of tongue place is also here, back highest place. Okay, this ooh. And today we are going to see the combination between ooh and some of the main characters. Wu and some of the combination of main characters. Did you remember that? Okay, so today I also will share with you the very simple review. Please look at this table, and I'm going to explain to you this way. From here. Okay, it's like a Japan J. It's like from here start to here. Okay. The first. Did you remember the first lesson of mine? Yeah, I have taught to you about 4 sounds. In Chinese, each letters, each sounds, each characters has 4 sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 sounds. Okay? And in my next lesson, we have learned about the Chinese letters, Chinese characters. Okay? Yeah, there are many kinds of sounds, many kinds of Chinese letters. But please understand this way. Okay, we are going to divide 2 types of role. It's like we are going to see the drama and the movie, and in the movie, there are 2 types of role. Main role, supportive role, main character or supportive character. Yeah, in Chinese, there is also main sounds and supportive sounds, right? Main sound, there are 10 main sounds, main characters, and there are 21 supportive roles, supportive characters, supportive sounds, okay? And the most important sounds, the central, the core of Chinese sounds is 7. This 7. And in my lesson, I hope you learn how to pronounce in detail, like this way. Because if you use textbook, You only see the Roman expression, a, I, U, U. But this is a little bit same as English pronunciation. So I hope you will use in this way. See the very detail, the shape of your mouth and the place where your sound is from, or the place where your tongue keep. Okay. And next, we are going to see the combination between main characters. There are 4 types of combination. I, A, Ao, O. I, A, Ao, O. These 4 types of combination. And the last of my review is this special guests. Yeah, there are 7 most important character sounds, but main characters are 10. So rest of the 3 is a special guest in your movie, in your drama, right? And NZER. It's very hard to pronounce, especially N and NZ. N is your tongue is going forward, and you bite your tongue a little bit, and your tongue is touching behind the front upper teeth. And N, okay. And NZ is like you open your mouth, you open your throat, and your voice is going back to your throat deeply, and your tongue doesn't touch anywhere in your mouth. Little bit pull. Okay? Do you remember that? That's it. Yeah. This is a very simple review. So today we have to care about the main characters and the combination of main characters. Okay? Okay, let's get started. Today we are going to see oo, oo, and we are going to see the combination between oo and some of the main characters. First, oo, ah, wa, wa. Okay. Oo is from back highest place. Ah is like lowest places and the middle place. Wa, wa. And the shape of your mouth is oo round. Ah open bigger. Wa, wa. Okay? So the combination between oo and ah is wa, wa. Next, oo and o, oo and o, wo, wo. Please be careful of the place where your voice is from, where your voice is coming from. Oo is back highest place, back highest place. O is back middle place, back middle place. Wo, wo. Okay, from back. Wo, from back. And then your shape of your mouth is round, round. Wo, wo. That's it. Next, number 3. Oo, the combination between oo and I is like a, I, lowest middle place, front highest place. I. It is very important where your voice the place where your voice is coming from. That's very important. So please, every time you practice your pronunciation in Chinese, please be careful about the place where your voice coming from, and then also where is your tongue tip. Yeah, I think if you use a very normal textbook, you cannot study this kind of stuff. But in my Chinese lesson, yeah, I will teach you the very detailed things, because I'm Japanese. When I master Chinese pronunciation, I often care about where my voice are coming from. Yeah, this is my experience. So I really want to share with you my experience. Yeah, that's very efficient if you study how to pronounce Chinese, because Chinese pronunciation is very hardest in all of the languages all over the world, right? So if you practice the fundamental things, you have to care about the detail, right? So U, the combination between U and I is like why, U, I, U, I, why. The voice is from why. Your tongue tip of your tongue is, the place is why. Please imagine, please be careful about this. And the last one, U, the combination between U and A, between O and A, middle, and a little bit high place. Middle, little bit high place. A. Okay. Way is like a way. Your voice is from way. That's it. And if you this way, and if you have this way, if you take your phone, the first word, the first word you say is hello. Yeah, this is in Chinese is way. Yeah, if you remember the 4 sounds, number 2 sounds, ma. This is the number 2 sound, ma, going up, and way. This word's number 2 sounds is like a way. This means hello. If you take your phone and you were saying hello, as in Chinese is like a way. Yeah. So I will do a very simple review today. Okay. Today we have learned about 4 types of combination. And this story, 4 types of combination, this story is about spin-off story, Wu. Yeah, this is the combination between Wu and the other words. First 2 is Wu and some of main characters. Wa, wo, U and I, U and O. Okay? And the last 2 is the combination between U and also the combination, some of the combinations. Why is like U and I, and way is like U and A, And if you take a phone and you're saying hello, hi, please say 喂 in Chinese. 喂, 喂. And every time you practice the pronunciation in Chinese, please be careful about your shape of your mouth and the place where your voice comes from, the place where your tip of your tongue, right? 喂, 喂, 喂. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching my channel. Okay, so see you next time. 再见，拜拜。